My dear friends, listen closely, because your morning cup may be doing far more than waking you up. For many older adults, coffee is quietly stealing strength, or, with one simple change, rebuilding it faster than the most expensive supplement. In today's video, I'll reveal 8 proven additions, ranked from 8 to 1, that reduce inflammation, protect circulation, melt belly fat, and even rebuild lost muscle. Watch until the end. Ingredient number 4, improved mobility in seniors by over 40% in a study, yet most people never try it. If you want real, gentle ways to stay strong, comment below, subscribe, and join our loving community, the best senior health channel for rebuilding strength with warmth and science. Now, let's begin. Let's begin with John. He felt drained each afternoon and noticed his legs growing heavier on the stairs. His blood sugar readings were unstable, highs and crashes that left his muscles starved for steady fuel. Cinnamon contains compounds that stabilize blood sugar and improve circulation. Unstable glucose and insulin spikes prevent muscles from absorbing nutrients, accelerating muscle loss. John added half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to his morning coffee. No calories, no insulin spikes, just steady support. Try 1/2 teaspoon of Ceylon, true cinnamon, in your coffee daily to smooth blood sugar swings. Small changes like this add up. Your muscles will thank you for steadier fuel and smoother circulation. While cinnamon calms sugar swings, the next powder helps your blood deliver oxygen to tired muscles. Let me tell you about Evelyn. She loved her morning walks but felt sluggish and stiff. Her circulation wasn't delivering enough oxygen to her legs, and walks felt harder than they should. Unsweetened cocoa is rich in flavonols that improve endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to relax and send oxygen-rich blood to muscles. Combined with coffee's caffeine, it boosts performance and recovery. Evelyn stirred a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa into her coffee each morning and noticed better stamina within weeks. Use 1 teaspoon unsweetened cocoa powder, not sugary mixes, to support circulation and recovery. This is an easy, delicious tweak that helps your muscles get what they need, oxygen and nutrients every day. Next, let's give your brain and muscles a steady, crash-free fuel that lasts. Let me share Harold's story with you. Harold used to crash mid-morning and reach for sugary snacks. His cells were inefficient at using glucose, leaving him tired and weak between meals. Medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, convert quickly into ketones, clean fuel for brain and muscle, avoiding sugar crashes and stabilizing energy. Over time, this supports fat loss and preserves muscle. Harold added 1 teaspoon of MCT oil to his coffee, blended it, and found his energy steady until lunch. Start with 1 teaspoon coconut or MCT oil in coffee. Blend for a creamy texture and build slowly as your body adjusts. You don't need to overhaul your diet. Just a teaspoon can teach your body to use fat better and keep muscles fueled. Now, let's add real protein that counts, a gentle boost that helps stop overnight muscle loss. Dolores always drank her coffee black. Her arms were getting thinner and carrying groceries became harder. She wasn't getting enough protein across the day to offset overnight muscle breakdown. Half a cup of milk or soy milk provides 4 to 6 grams of complete protein, including leucine, the trigger for muscle repair. Soy adds isoflavones that support bones and heart health. Dolores switched to adding half a cup of soy milk to her coffee each morning. Over months, her strength improved. Add 1/2 cup milk or fortified soy milk to your coffee. Lactose-free or plant options are fine. Avoid sugary creamers. Even this small protein boost helps reduce overnight breakdown and gives your muscles what they need to rebuild. Next, we move from basic protein to a structural healer that helps joints and connective tissue. Robert could no longer kneel in his garden without pain. Movement had become stiff. His collagen production had dropped, causing joint discomfort and slower recovery. Collagen provides amino acids like glycine and proline, building blocks for muscles, tendons, and bone. Studies show seniors taking collagen had less joint pain and faster recovery. Robert added 1 scoop of collagen powder to his coffee and began to notice less knee pain and smoother motion. Stir 1 scoop of collagen powder, 10 grams, into your morning coffee. It dissolves without affecting taste. This is gentle structural support, not just muscle protein, but the scaffolding that lets you move without pain. Isn't it amazing how simple habits can have such a deep impact? Let's keep going. The next one might surprise you even more. My dear friends, let's just pause for a moment together. We've already talked about cinnamon, cocoa, MCT oil, milk or soy, and collagen. Each one a small, natural way to help your body stay strong. Take a moment to let that sink in. Small changes can truly awaken your body's hidden strength. This channel is here to guide you with kindness, to give you simple steps that truly work without big costs or confusion. If what you've learned today feels helpful, please subscribe and tap the little bell so you never miss the next tip made just for you. And please share your thoughts below. Tell me which powder you'll try first. I read every comment, and your stories always touch my heart. Now, let's keep going, because the next ones are even more powerful, and one of them has been shown to boost muscle strength by more than 40%. Helen had energy, but felt her arms and legs growing thinner despite trying to eat more. She was facing anabolic resistance. After 60, the body needs better quality protein to trigger growth. Whey is rich in leucine, the amino acid that flips on muscle protein synthesis. Trials show seniors using whey gained significantly more lean muscle and improved balance. Helen stirred 1 scoop of unflavored whey isolate into her hot coffee each morning and saw firmer arms and stronger legs. Use 1 scoop unflavored whey isolate or hydrolyzed whey if sensitive in coffee for a concentrated protein boost. Whey isn't just for athletes. It's one of the most effective tools for older bodies to rebuild lean mass. From concentrated proteins to tiny seeds with mighty effects. Next is chia. George struggled with belly fat, poor digestion, and low energy. He lacked fiber and omega-3s, which worsened inflammation and muscle decline. Ground chia seeds release fiber, plant protein, and omega-3s that support digestion, reduce inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, and preserve muscle. George ground 1 to 2 teaspoons of chia and stirred it into hot coffee. Within weeks, digestion improved and his waistline shrank. Grind 1 to 2 teaspoons chia before adding to coffee. Whole seeds pass through. Ground seeds release nutrients. Tiny seeds can do heavy lifting for your health, clearer digestion, calmer inflammation, and steadier muscles. Finally, the most powerful addition, a golden duo that fights inflammation and boosts strength like nothing else. Satoshi had stopped gardening because knee pain and swelling made every step painful. Chronic inflammation was wearing away his mobility and muscle strength. Curcumin in turmeric slashes inflammation, protects arteries, and supports muscle recovery, but it's poorly absorbed alone. Add a pinch of black pepper, piperine, and absorption skyrockets up to 20 times or more, transforming turmeric into a true medicinal ally. Studies show this combo can increase muscle strength in seniors by over 40%. Satoshi added 1/2 teaspoon turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to his coffee. In weeks, his pain and inflammation markers dropped, and he moved with more ease. Stir 1/2 teaspoon turmeric plus a small pinch black pepper into hot coffee. Add cinnamon or a drop of honey if desired for taste. This golden duo is a gentle powerhouse, anti-inflammatory, heart protective, and muscle restoring. It's one of the best, most affordable medicines you can use every morning. Now, let's bring everything together. My dear friends, your morning coffee can either fuel decline or rebuild your future. Tonight's simple ritual choices, stirring in cinnamon, cocoa, MCT oil, milk or soy, collagen, whey, ground chia, or turmeric with black pepper, transform a daily habit into medicine for muscles, joints, and the heart. Choose one to start tonight. Even a single teaspoon can begin a chain of healing that grows with each passing day. Share this video with a loved one who drinks coffee every morning. It may change their years ahead. Before you go, my dear friends, don't miss 2 life-changing health alerts that could transform how you age. In Seniors Protein Shakes Won't Save Your Muscles. This natural secret. Will I reveal a gentle yet powerful nutrient that helps your body rebuild real strength without relying on powders or costly supplements. And in Seniors, Stop Depending on Magnesium. These 2 vitamins trigger real overnight recovery. You'll discover how to restore deep healing sleep and wake up feeling truly renewed from the inside out. Watch them next. Remember, aging isn't decline. It's learning how to care for your body with wisdom and love. Stay warm, stay consistent, and may your mornings be peaceful and your days stronger. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.